Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare syrup. It's so easy and simple. So first we need 3 cups of sugar. Sorry. Second one. Okay. So here we added 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to add on them 2 cups of water. 1 and another one. That's it. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so I'm going to leave them 5 minutes or until they bring to boil. They need like 5 minutes on high heat, and then later I'm going to reduce the heat to the medium and then leave them 15 minutes, so it needs 20 minutes to be ready. And then you can use them for all kind of sweets or Arabic sweet. I'm making the syrup just to make the baklava. Okay, so see you after that. Okay guys, so this is after 5 minutes. Now the syrup start to boil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put them on number 4, which is less than the medium, less than the half, on gas mark 4. So I'm going to leave them for about 15 minutes. Okay, I'm going to put the alarm on, and then 15 minutes and then the syrup will be ready. Okay guys, so look at this syrup. It needs like 5 more minutes and will be ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of blossom water and another tablespoon of rose water, so that will give a nice and delicious taste to the syrup. That's it. So now I'm going to leave them 5 minutes and then the syrup will be ready. Cool. Okay guys, so look at the syrup. Now it's ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the cooker and then leave them to cool down, and then use it for the sweet or for the dessert. Normally we make an Arabic dessert or Mediterranean like baklava and many things, so we use the syrup. So I'm going to leave them here to cool down. If you make like big amount like those, you can just use half of the amount, or you can make it and then store it in the fridge or outside the fridge in a bottle or container or whatever, or jar. Okay, so it could stay for a long time. It could stay for up to 6 months. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and hope you like the recipe. Stay tuned and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. Bye.